honor to present. I have the honor to present the letter of credential which His Excellency, the President of the Council of State of the Republic of Cuba, has addressed to you, Excellency, accrediting me as Ambassador of the Republic of Cuba to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present the letter of record of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your credentials and the letter of recall of your predecessor. I welcome you most warmly and sincerely to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a very happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency the President of the Council of the State and the people of the Republic of Cuba our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Your Excellency, Ambassador, congratulations.
Thank you.
And welcome to Fiji.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So good to see you. Here we go, sir. Thank you. This is my wife, Sarote. His Excellency, the Ambassador. And this is your good wife, Madame.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, my pleasure, ma'am. Welcome to Fiji, and congratulations for being with His Excellency the Ambassador. Thank you.
Bula Anola.
Oh, Bula. Oh,
Anola.
Anola.
It is in Spanish.